vertical fashion, and then turn it vertically to a hands-free position and continue working. So when clicking when it doesn't work, I hold down the shift key and I'm going to press the right mouse over until the end of this MPEG, and then right click the mouse and copy to the clipboard buffer, then click the record button and start recording it. Now that I got it going, I'm going to drag it down, try to grab it and drag it down to the rightmost corner of the screen so I can monitor it. And then I want to find my notepad and put it into my notepad. So this is where my notepad is. I'm going to paste it in both my notepad, edit, paste, enter, and file save, and then go to my WordPad to the very top also. And make some space here and paste it. Control V to paste it. Then I want to grab the topic from the PowerPoint, and that will be our topic today. So it will be system software serves an intermediary between the hardware and functional application. So I'm going to mark this section of the PowerPoint and then copy to the clipboard buffer and my notes. Oops, doesn't work. I have to use Control C to copy it. So I want to copy this slide, hold down the Control and press the C and pray. And now I'm going to go back and paste it in my notes right after the video file name. Control V. Oops, I didn't mean to make it so ginormous, but we'll leave it at that for now and go back to the notepad where I don't have to worry about the fonts. So now I can paste it after the message that it will not expire with the video file name too. So I'm going to put a space, delete, and bring the video file to immediately after that message, and then Control V to get the message. So now I got a complete description of it in my notepad. Now I would like to mark it properly. So I'm going to insert an open parenthesis before that USA. So the USA will be my prefix. Now I want to build a folder name, and I'll start by storing it at the Google Voice folder. So I'm going to mark the Google Voice subfolder, go all the way to the end of this Google Voice path, then go edit, copy, scroll to the top to establish one file name, and Control V to paste. Now I got a complete string with the file name preceded by a subfolder in the Google Voice. And edit, copy, and file, save as. Then I'm going to paste it. Here it is already in this Google Voice. and click the save button, and now it is saved. So to mark the fact that it is saved already, I'm going to put in an X in front of it, X and space, and file save again, so I know that I've saved it. Okay, the next thing I'd like to do is to drag my PowerPoint a little bit to the side so it's not in the middle of everything. It doesn't let me do what I want, so maybe I'll try my finger and drag it to the right corner right there. Okay, so now I have to open multiple browsers. We'll start from one with Chrome or Microsoft. I'm not sure which one. Let me use Chrome for now. And then go to my inbox or my Google Voice. So this is the Google Voice that I'm going to use, ChatGPT 800 ChatGPT, make it a little smaller. And I can add that to our discussion. I have it already marked here in my notepad. Now I can take my notes, add ChatGPT at the end is one of the topics that I'm going to cover. Edit, copy, and then paste it at the end of the file name. Control V, and the other one will be 640 call Sam. Which is also Colani.ai. So we can put this string at the beginning just so I have it in the file name. So I created a new file name with the Colani.ai in the title, edit, copy, and insert it in the title after system software, or maybe at the end right here. Okay, Control V, so I got Colani there also, but I want to separate the application from Colani. And I hope now that it doesn't exceed the maximum size of a file name. So I'll go in and mark it again in my notes. So I have a new file name now. Edit, copy, file, save as. And going into Google Voice, Control V to type the new file name and save. And now I can go File, Save again, then go into my notes again, right here. Oh, another thing that I might have forgotten is my video file name, Control V. No, I have my video file name there. And now I want to save that. File, save as. Paste the new file name, Control V, and save it. So now I got it both in the text version right here and in the RTF version. Okay. And then I want to get Colani also. So I'll try to get Kolani in a different browser. So here I have another browser, and I have Kolani already here. But I want to have another instance of Kolani. I have multiple instances here. And here's another instance. So I have 3 instances, and I don't know if Kolani will let me select a new instance. I want to select a new instance so I can show you the home page. So let's see if I can paste the Kolani file name in here and start a new instance. So I'm going to mark Kolani.ai. Place the cursor on Kolani.ai. I want to start a new session with a new Gmail account. So I want to have the Gmail account listed here as a USA chatbot at gmail.com. So I'm going to put in an @ gmail.com. And start from a new instance. So I'm going to search it first, or should I try to paste it right there at the top? Let's try that. No. I want to search Kolani.ai. So I'll copy this to the clipboard buffer and then place it on the search engine. So I'm searching for Kolani.ai on Bing. And here she is, Kolani AI demo. Here's Kolani.ai. So I can copy this URL to the clipboard buffer and paste it in my notes. Here's Kolani.ai. Edit, paste, and a few enters. I don't know where my cursor position was, but it wasn't positioned in the right place. And then separated by a few spaces here. And file save. Then I can minimize. Then I can enter it here too. Control V and save. In addition to that, I'd like to record it with several video files and also Psar. So I'm going to turn Psar on first. Problem step recorder. And see if we can get it to work. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't respond, we'll close it and start a new session. In the meantime, I'll bring some cameras along. I want to bring the webcam max. I don't need the special add effects. I want to close it. And now I want to start a new recording and add a comment with the file name that I've just pasted. So I'm going to edit as a comment, Control V, and enter. And the problem with this camera, one of the cameras doesn't work. So I want to use another camera, but let me see if I can use this with another camera here. I start recording from my Cyberlink. And this seems to be working. And then I start recording also from Webcam Max. And this seems to be working. And I want to add to that also a cloud recorder. So I'm starting to use the cloud recorder. The problem right now is that I have no camera and I want to add a camera. So let's see if I can select the camera. To select the camera, integrated webcam is good. So I'm going to use that. Or one of the other cameras here, the C92 Pro. Let's see if this one will work. And since this works fine, I will use it and we'll start recording here too. And then we'll get the timer to work. Okay, now since I got everything to work, before I start with Kolani, I would like to record the name of my chatbot file, but create another subfolder on Psar. I'm going to mark it again, just the file name. I'll take the entire string from the C colon and drag the mouse, the right arrow, hold down the shift key and press the mouse arrow all the way to the end. And then I'll go to the edit, copy, and go to my notes then and go edit, paste. Now I would like to change the URL to include the Psar. So I'll scroll down to see whether I can find the Psar path. Psar stands for Problem Step Recorder. And I don't know if I can find any of those files here. I can also search for it. See if I can find a case of the Psar path on this computer, because they change across different computers. So far I cannot find one instance of Psar.exe. Let me see if I can search it, edit, find Psar, find next, and here it is. So I'm going to copy to the clipboard buffer, mark it for copying, edit, copy, then go to the top of the file, cancel the search, go to the very top of the file and scroll down. And now I want to mark the old path, go all the way until I cover the entire path, and then Control V and delete one of unneeded extra slash. Now I got the complete file name, and I would like to save the txt file in there. So now edit, copy, and edit as a comment in my notes. Paste and enter, and then OK, and then stop Psar, and then I want to save it in Psar. I want to drag my picture away and see if I can grab an old file from today, from earlier, and then navigate to the right of the format, which is a zip type of file, go all the way to the end and see if I can overlay the new topic on top of the old one. Control V. And it may be too long, so I'm going to cut out the path to this Psar. Cut it out. Place the cursor on it and then select Control X. Also notice that this is the wrong one because I'm going to do Control X to cut it out. Delete the extra slash. Then I'm going to go to the very beginning to paste it in, but also the time is wrong, so I'm going to delete this extra time here. Will be, and the correct time now is 10:10 p.m. So I'm going to put 10:10 p.m. and then and this will be version F. Version F for today. And then paste Control V and backslash to paste the path. But this time I want to tap the top input field and the bottom input field. And I forgot to add the word will not expire. And this is key. So space, and put the word not. So it reads will not expire. And you see that it truncated it because it exceeds the maximum size of a file name. So I'm going to cut the topic here. We'll call it system software serves as intermediary between hardware and applications. Applications. So I can add the letter GPT at the end. G, capital P, and T. That will be good enough for now. Focusing on the first field, and then the second. When it doesn't mark the entire thing, I hope to do it again. Maybe be luckier now. Copy to the clipboard buffer. Control V to paste. And now save. And now I want to see how many steps was it. So I scroll up to see that it was 2 steps, and now I'm starting a new recording and add a comment with the previous file name. Paste the previous file name. And then hit enter to see the path and click OK. And now I'm going to paste it into my notes. Edit, paste the file name and file save. Now that I got it into my notepad, I want to get it also into my WordPad. So Control V to get it into my WordPad and then save the WordPad as well. So now I'm actually ready to start. And I'll start with Kolani. Get Kolani going. Let me see if I can also drag my image a little bit away and copy the hyperlink into my notes also. Oops. Well, let's hear it.
I believe that the meaning of life is different for...
Okay, that is the problem with Kolani. Real life her. Okay, let's see if I can get...
Hey there. Of course, I'd love to tell you about myself. I'm Annie, a 30-year-old woman.
I would like to get this one, which looks like the home page of Kolani. Can you please come here? So I'm going to select this homepage of Kolani. It turns out to be some kind of a Japanese thing, which is not what I want. So I'm going to move it away and just try to place the hyperlink Kolani, or type it.
You want image or you want the...
No, I want it here. Kolani on a new
I don't know what.
instant.
Tab?
A new tab, yes.
Not instant, a new tab.
No. So I paste it at the top here and hit enter.
Press enter.
Press enter. And this is the point that I want to create.
Move a little
Eric.
so I can see closer.
Just stand behind right now. Later on, I'll let you control
Why
it
can't I
once,
stay here? You can move a
because
little.
you are in my way.
I'm in your way.
Okay, so now I want to start with this and see if it works. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? You see, this is the problem. When you exceed the maximum, what
Maximum
happened? It doesn't let you,
It doesn't respond.
it doesn't respond, you understand?
Yeah.
So to get past that, you have to find some way to get it on another browser or do some kind of a trick to click maybe later. Maybe this will give me a chance to go to the home page and enter another. I want to show you all the obstacles so you understand.
Here you have 2 versions of Annie here now.
Yeah, but none of them works properly. Another thing is you can
Why not
maybe,
close what's not working?
upload a new version or close the existing one, because
Close
what
the
to cook, video practices, game words.
You have multiple versions
Just
of
don't
Andy.
help me for a second. Web call, let's try this and see if that will work. That doesn't work.
Please clarify what specific information or assistance you need regarding video practices or game words. Please provide more details about what you're trying to accomplish or the specific issues you're facing, so I can assist you effectively.
Okay, my topic today that I want to discuss is about system software. Specifically, I want to discuss the issue related to system software serves as an intermediary between hardware and applications. What do you think about that?
System software acts as a bridge between hardware and application software, enabling communication and resource management. It manages hardware components,
I'm
facilitates
ChatGPT,
input-output
an AI
operations,
assistant.
and
Just so
provides
you know,
essential
our
services for
conversation
application
may be reviewed
programs.
for safety.
This intermediary
By
role is
continuing this
crucial
call,
for
you
ensuring that
agree to
applications
OpenAI's
can
terms
interact
and
with
privacy
hardware without
policy.
needing to understand
So,
the
how can I
complexities
help
of the
you today?
hardware itself. Key examples include operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux and device drivers. Would you like to explore specific challenges or benefits related to this intermediary function? If you're considering challenges related to system software as an intermediary, some key points include 1. Compatibility issues. System software must support various hardware configurations and application requirements, which can lead to compatibility challenges. 2. Performance overhead. The abstraction layer provided by system software can introduce latency, potentially affecting application performance. 3. Security risks. As an intermediary, system software can be a target for attacks, making it essential to maintain robust security measures. 4. Resource management. Efficiently managing system resources, CPU, memory, EO is crucial, as poor management can lead to system instability or crashes. Do you want to delve deeper into any of these aspects?
Or did you have other questions in mind?
Here are some questions you might consider regarding system software. 1. What are the critical functions of an operating system in managing hardware resources? 2. How do device drivers facilitate communication between the OS and hardware? 3. What are the implications of system software updates on application performance? 4.
Look at it.
How does virtualization technology impact the role of system
The
software?
counter.
5. What are the security measures necessary for protecting system software? Would you like to explore any of these questions further?
Or is there something else you'd like to discuss?
Tell her some topic to discuss now.
What is the difference
If you're
between system software versus application software? And give me an example.
And watch the counter there.
And what should I watch for?
That it
System
exceeds.
software and application.
System software acts
Please
as a
clear-
bridge between hardware and applications, managing resources and providing a platform for application software to run. Examples include operating systems like Windows or Linux. Application software, on the other hand, directly performs tasks for the user, like word processors or web browsers. Want more examples?
Yes, additional examples can help clarify the distinction. System software examples: operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android. Device drivers, software that allows the OS to communicate with hardware devices like printers, graphics cards, or keyboards. Utility programs, disk management tools, antivirus software, and backup software. Application software examples: productivity software, Microsoft Office Suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Workspace. Media players, VLC Media Player, Windows Media Player. Web browsers, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari. Graphic design software, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW. If you want to explore more specific categories or types, let me know.
Or if you have other questions in mind, feel free to ask.
Here are a few questions that could deepen the discussion. 1. What role does system software play in ensuring hardware compatibility? 2. How do updates to system software affect application performance and functionality? 3. What are the challenges faced by developers when creating application software that runs on multiple operating systems? 4. How do you see the future of system software evolving with advancements in technology, such as AI and cloud computing? Would you like to explore any of these questions further?
Yes, AI and cloud compatibility.
AI and cloud computing are revolutionizing system software. AI can enhance system management, automate tasks, and improve security. Sure, let's dive deeper. With AI, system software can become more adaptive, learning from usage patterns to optimize performance and security. This includes predictive maintenance, anomaly detection, and automated threat response. Cloud computing complements this by offering scalable resources, enabling AI-driven system software to handle varying demands efficiently. What's your take on these advancements?
These advancements represent a significant shift in how system software operates. 1. Adaptive
Great question.
performance. AI algorithms can analyze user behavior and system performance in real time, allowing for dynamic resource allocation and
Try to stay
optimization,
inside,
which leads to
okay?
improved efficiency. 2. Predictive maintenance. By using AI to monitor hardware health, system software can predict failures before they occur, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. 3. Enhanced security. AI can identify unusual patterns indicative of security threats, enabling proactive measures against potential breaches and automating incident response. 4. Scalability with cloud computing. The cloud provides virtually limitless resources, allowing AI-driven system software to scale operations seamlessly based on demand, which is essential for handling peak loads. 5. Integration of services. Cloud-based AI services can be integrated into system software, enhancing functionality without requiring extensive local resources. Overall, the integration of AI and cloud computing into system software not only improves operational efficiency, but also enhances user experience and security. Would you like to discuss specific use cases or challenges related to these advancements?
Yes.
Great. Let's talk about some specific use cases or challenges. What interests you more? Use cases or challenges?
Use cases.
Here are some specific use cases of AI and cloud computing and system software. 1. Predictive analytics. AI can analyze historical data to predict hardware failures, allowing system software to schedule maintenance proactively, minimizing downtime. 2. Resource optimization. Cloud-based AI can dynamically allocate resources based on real-time demand, optimizing server performance and reducing costs for businesses. 3. Automated security monitoring. AI-driven system software can continuously monitor for anomalies in network traffic, identifying potential security threats and responding automatically. 4. Virtual assistants. AI can enhance user interfaces and system software, providing intelligent assistance, troubleshooting, and personalized recommendations based on user behavior. 5. Data management. In cloud environments, AI can automate data organization, retrieval, and archiving, improving efficiency in data-heavy applications. 6. Load balancing. AI algorithms can manage workloads across servers and cloud environments, ensuring optimal performance and resource utilization. These use cases demonstrate how AI and cloud computing can enhance the functionality and efficiency of system software. Would you like to explore any specific use case in more detail?
Yes, I want to know the difference between hardware and system software. What is the connection?
Sure.
The difference between hardware and system software is foundational to computing.
It doesn't
1.
let
Hardware.
come.
This refers to the physical components of a computer system, including the CPU, memory, RAM, storage devices, hard drives, motherboards, and peripheral devices, printers, keyboards. Hardware is tangible and performs the actual processing and storage of data. 2. System software. This is a collection of programs designed to manage and operate the hardware, providing a platform for application software to run. The most prominent example of system software is the operating system OS, which facilitates communication between the hardware and application software. Connection. Interaction. System software acts as an intermediary between the hardware and application software. It translates user commands into machine language that the hardware can understand and execute. Resource management. System software manages hardware resources, allocating CPU time, memory, and storage as needed by applications. Functionality. Without system software, hardware would be unable to perform tasks or run applications, as there would be no mechanism to process user instructions or manage resources. This relationship is crucial for the overall functionality of a computer system. If you need further clarification or examples, let me know. Here are a few examples that illustrate the connection between hardware and system software. 1. Operating system OS. The OS, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, manages hardware resources. For instance, when you open an application, the OS allocates CPU time and memory from the RAM to that application, enabling it to run. 2. Device drivers. These are specialized system software components that allow the OS to communicate with hardware devices. For example, a printer driver translates print commands from the OS into a format that the printer hardware can understand. 3. File system management. The system software manages how data is stored and retrieved on storage devices. The OS organizes files on a hard drive or SSD, allowing users to access and manage their data efficiently. 4. Resource monitoring. System software continuously monitors hardware performance metrics, such as CPU usage, memory consumption, and disk activity. This information helps users and administrators optimize system performance. 5. Virtualization. System software can create virtual machines that emulate hardware environments. This allows multiple operating systems to run on a single physical machine, utilizing hardware resources more efficiently. These examples highlight how system software effectively manages and optimizes hardware functionality, ensuring that users can perform tasks seamlessly. If you have further questions or need more details, feel free to ask.
Or if there's anything else you'd like to discuss, just let me know.
If you're interested in exploring more about hardware and system software, we could discuss 1. Emerging technologies. How advancements like quantum computing or edge computing are influencing the relationship between hardware and system software. 2. Performance optimization. Techniques used in system software to maximize hardware efficiency, such as caching, threading, and load balancing. 3. Security implications. The role of system software in securing hardware against vulnerabilities and threats, including firmware updates and security patches. 4. Future trends. Predictions on how AI and machine learning will further integrate with hardware and system software to enhance performance and user experience. Let me know if any of these topics interest you or if there's another area you'd like to explore.
Topic 4. Can you expand and give actual examples of software that's available now?
Certainly. Here are some future
Absolutely.
trends related to the
Let's-
integration of AI and machine learning with hardware and system software, along with current examples. 1. Enhanced performance
Doesn't
monitoring.
let the other one
Example,
talk.
Just
NVIDIA's
doesn't matter.
GPU
Just stay
performance
inside the
monitoring
image.
tools
You see your
utilize AI
face?
to analyze GPU performance and optimize resource allocation for graphics-intensive
Okay.
applications, such as gaming and AI training. 2. Autonomous systems. Example, Tesla's autopilot uses AI algorithms to process data from vehicle sensors and make real-time driving decisions, showcasing a blend of hardware sensors, cameras and system software, autonomous driving software. 3. Predictive maintenance. Example, IBM Maximo leveraged AI to predict equipment failures by analyzing data from its sensors, allowing businesses to perform maintenance before issues arise, thus optimizing hardware lifespan. 4. AI and cloud computing. Example, Google Cloud AI offers machine learning tools that can optimize resource allocation and workload management in cloud environments, enhancing the efficiency of the underlying hardware. 5. Smart resource allocation. Example, Microsoft Azure uses AI to dynamically allocate computing resources based on demand, ensuring efficient use of hardware and cloud services. 6. Security enhancements. Example, CrowdStrike Falcon employs AI to detect and respond to cybersecurity threats in real time, utilizing both system software and hardware capabilities to protect against breaches. 7. Virtualization and containerization. Example, Docker and Kubernetes use AI to optimize the deployment and management of applications in virtual environments, ensuring efficient use of hardware resources and data centers. These examples illustrate how AI and machine learning are currently being integrated into system software to enhance the functionality and efficiency of hardware. If you need more details on any specific example or trend, let me know.
Or if you have other questions, feel free to ask.
Here are additional trends and examples of AI and machine learning integration with hardware and system software. 8. Edge computing. Example, AWS Greengrass allows local devices to act on the data they generate while still using the
Excuse
cloud
me.
for management,
Can-
analytics, and storage. This
What
integration
is-
enables faster data processing at the edge,
You have to
reducing
listen
latency.
finish.
9. AI-driven
You can't
development
interrupt
tools.
them.
No.
Example,
You
GitHub
can,
Copilot
but it's not
utilizes
good.
AI to assist developers by suggesting code snippets and functions as they write, streamlining the software development process and enhancing productivity. 10. Smart home devices. Example, Amazon Echo and Google Nest use AI to learn user behaviors and preferences, optimizing the performance of connected devices in a smart home environment. 11. Adaptive user interfaces. Example, Microsoft Office 365 incorporates AI to provide personalized suggestions and features based on user behavior, enhancing the user experience and making software more intuitive. 12. AI and robotics. Example, Boston Dynamics Spot Robot utilizes AI for navigation and task execution, showcasing the integration of advanced software algorithms with robotic hardware to perform complex tasks autonomously. These examples highlight the diverse applications of AI and machine learning in enhancing hardware and system software capabilities. If you have specific areas of interest or further questions, feel free to ask.
So tell me, in layman's term, what is edge computing and why should businesses care?
Edge computing refers to the practice of processing data closer to where it is generated, the edge, rather than relying solely on a centralized data center. This means that instead of sending all data to a cloud server for processing, Some of the processing occurs on local devices or servers. Why should businesses care? 1. Reduce latency. Since data is processed closer to its source, responses are faster. This is crucial for applications like real-time analytics, autonomous vehicles, or remote surgeries. 2. Bandwidth savings. By processing data locally, businesses can reduce the amount of data sent to the cloud, saving on bandwidth costs and improving overall network efficiency. 3. Improve reliability. Edge computing can continue to operate even if the connection to the central server is lost, providing greater reliability for critical applications. 4. Enhance security. Keeping sensitive data closer to its source can reduce exposure to potential breaches during data transmission, improving overall security. 5. Scalability. As businesses grow and generate more data, edge computing allows them to scale their operations without overwhelming central servers. In summary, edge computing helps businesses operate more efficiently, respond faster, and improve security, making it an important consideration for modern operations.
So how can businesses get edge computing? Is it done by the software? Is it done by the hardware? Where do they purchase it, and who should they go to? What specific vendors will provide edge computing?
Edge computing typically
Businesses can
involves a combination of hardware and software. Here's how business
Be quiet.
solutions. These platforms help deploy and manage applications on edge devices. 3. Consulting and integration. Some businesses may require help with integration and deployment. Consulting firms and system integrators can assist in designing and implementing an edge computing strategy. Businesses should assess their specific needs and consult with vendors or experts to find the right mix of hardware and software solutions for their edge computing initiatives. Any specific area you'd like to explore further?
To implement edge computing, businesses typically need a combination of hardware and software solutions. Here's a summary of the key components and steps. 1. Hardware. Businesses need edge devices which can include sensors, gateways, and local servers. These devices handle data processing and analytics closer to the source. 2. Software. Edge computing platforms and applications are essential for managing and deploying services on these devices. This software can include data analytics tools and machine learning frameworks. 3. Vendors. Businesses can purchase edge computing solutions from various vendors, such as Cisco offers edge computing solutions that integrate networking and security. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise (HPE) provides edge computing hardware and software solutions. IBM offers edge computing services with a focus on AI and analytics. Microsoft Azure provides cloud services with edge computing capabilities through Azure Edge. Amazon Web Services (AWS) offers services like AWS Greengrass for edge computing applications. 4. Consulting and integration. Some businesses may need assistance with designing and implementing their edge computing strategies. Consulting firms and system integrators can provide expertise in integrating edge solutions into existing systems. Businesses should assess their specific needs and consult with these vendors or experts to find the right mix of hardware and software solutions for their edge computing initiatives. If you need more details on any specific vendor or solution, let me know.
Or if there's anything else on your mind, feel free to ask.
So security software, is that considered application software or system software? And give me examples.
Security software is generally considered application software. It is designed to perform specific tasks related to protecting systems and data rather than managing the hardware or operating system itself. Examples of security software. 1. Antivirus software. Programs like Norton, McAfee, and Bitdefender that detect and remove malware. 2. Firewall software. Applications such as O'Neill and Windows Firewall that monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. 3. Encryption software. Tools like Veracrypt and BitLocker that secure data by converting it into a coded format. 4. Intrusion detection systems IDS. Software like Snort that monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. 5. VPN software. Applications such as NordVPN and ExpressVPN that create secure connections over the internet. These applications help safeguard data and systems from various security threats. If you need more information on a specific type of security software, let me know.
Or if there's anything else you'd like to explore, just ask away.
So application software, what should I be concerned about as a business?
When considering application software for your business, several key factors should be taken into account. 1. Compatibility. Ensure that the software is compatible with existing systems and hardware to avoid integration issues. 2. Scalability. Choose software that can grow with your business needs, allowing for additional users or features as required. 3. Security. Assess the security features of the software, including data encryption, user authentication, and compliance with relevant regulations e.g. GDPR, HIPAA. 4. User experience. Consider the user interface and ease of use, as this can impact employee productivity and training time. 5. Support and maintenance. Evaluate the vendor support services, including customer service, updates, and maintenance options. 6. Cost. Analyze the total cost of ownership, including initial purchase, licensing fees, and ongoing maintenance costs. 7. Customization. Determine if the software can be customized to meet specific business needs or workflows. 8. Integration. Check if the software can integrate with other tools and applications your business uses, such as CRM or ERP systems. 9. Performance. Look for performance benchmarks or case studies to ensure the software can handle your business's workload efficiently. 10. Vendor reputation. Research the vendor's reputation, including reviews and case studies from other businesses in your industry. Considering these factors will help you make informed decisions when selecting application software for your business. If you need more details on any specific aspect, let me know.
Enough. Thank you. We'll talk later.
Now I'm going to save it into my Psar account. So I'm selecting save first, and then take the previous Psar file name and tap it gently to get it into the file name field. Then I'm going to increment it from version F, which was the previous version, to the next version, which will be the next letter G. After F in the G. American alphabet, which is G, and delete the F. And now I got myself a new folder, and I may want to record the current time, but I'm afraid that it may not be sufficient space for the length of the file name, but I will try and see.
Maybe just overwrite the last
if
time.
It stops. So I'm putting a dash on the previous time, and then I add 10.40, so 10.40 in space, and I got myself the current time and PM to indicate that it's post midnight.
It's not post midnight.
Space. Okay, and now I would like to capture this entire file name and drop it in my notes. So I'm going to tap on the Save As first input field, then the last Save As dialog in the last input field. Right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer. And then I noticed, that it changed the file name on me. So I'm going to have to go back and paste the file name, the correct file name, by Control V.
Is that the right file?
And now I got version G as I wanted, and now I click the Save button and pray. And it looked like it worked, so I want to click on the Review Additional Details to see how many steps was that. Then I scroll up, and then I noticed that this was 3 steps. So as I start the new recording, by pressing the new recording button, I'm going to add a comment with the previous file name. So I click the Add Comment button, and then I click on the dialog box, highlight area and comment, place the focus of the cursor on it, and right mouse click and paste the file name and enter. So I can review the beginning and the end and click OK to confirm.
It sounds like you're effectively documenting your process by adding comments with the previous file name. This will help in keeping track of versions and any changes made. If you need further assistance or have questions about your documentation process, let me know.
That's right, and I would also like to show how I'm talking to 800 Kolani. As you can see, 800 Kolani. That is what I specified. And you see how it stops now, trying to entice me to go.
Right.
So I click maybe later and let it continue.
So what do you think about the documentation process? That's called ChatGPT, isn't it?
I want to go to the top. Now, if I'm going to stop ChatGPT, which I'm going to do, since we already exceeded 25 minutes,
So
I'm going to click the red button,
the hang up button.
and then you will see the number appearing here in the corner, okay?
Fine.
So I'm going to click it.
And I don't see it.
It takes time until it will display here.
Okay, that's
And
November.
when it does,
What's
let's
it?
make it a little smaller now. And let's
Here
scroll
it
here,
is. Here it
800.
entered. Right,
So I just stopped ChatGPT,
right.
and I'm going to proceed and demonstrate this. Another very important point, in addition to displaying on the screen the messages, is to go to my history.
Yeah, how do you get there?
So to get to my history, I'm going to click on my calls
My calls, right.
and pray. And here are my calls.
And 1015 is the last one.
So I want to copy
You want to enter 1015.
1015.
On
And now I want to copy to the clipboard buffer and copy it into my notes.
Now can you select
So
all?
tram tam tam minot.
I'm asking, can you select all at once, or you have
No.
to? So
Not that I know of. But anyways, it doesn't matter how you select them. What matters that you mark it and copy it. And that may be a challenge sometimes when your cursor is out of control like mine. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to mark the end and scroll to the very top and capture it all with a Control C.
the entire
And
conversation.
then copy and paste it into your notes. And that way you have it in both places, in your notes, and also
Keep on going up.
now I want to go in and copy all of it,
You didn't
make
copy
it a
all.
bit smaller,
You didn't copy the whole
talk
thing.
later.
You didn't copy it all. From
And
the
now
top.
I want to mark, it doesn't matter, you have both copies, it's just a demonstration. Please don't interrupt me all the time.
Okay.
So I want to paste it inside my WordPad and close with brackets, open and close, and then I will color them too. So I want to color it with a certain color so it stands out. Like for example,
Blue.
it doesn't let me
Keep it.
keep it. So
You have to
anyways,
pull that down.
I can select from the color palette.
No, just from the arrow down.
Please be quiet.
You need the arrow down. Yellow.
And select yellow and see maybe that will work. So when that doesn't work, when your cursor gives you trouble, hold down the Shift key and press the down arrow. And then click on the yellow. And then I want to paste inside it the discussion. So Control V to paste.
You didn't get anything.
Control V. So apparently I didn't copy it properly.
You
So
didn't put it into the buffer.
not a big deal.
Just go back.
Copy again. Don't bother me, please.
Okay.
Don't help me. Thank you. And you see that the copy comment is not here, meaning that my marking of what to copy has gone bad. So I can go to the top again and give it a shot again. You can see that there are issues here with my computer. So I can try by Shift and down arrow. Maybe that will work better.
You have to highlight something first.
I try to highlight it all over again. And remember, you can always get the URL, and that will keep it in the memory. Then use another computer that has a better mouse or doesn't have the current problems that I'm experiencing with this computer. But one way to get around the problem of a cursor that doesn't work well is to use control key characters. So control C to copy, and then control V to paste. Place the cursor in your target area, and then control V, and you see that it didn't copy sufficiently.
It took one line.
It took one line.
Try and make right click on this and see, maybe you just can copy everything. Can you just save as?
You can try to save it as. Let's try that. Maybe that will work. So let's try save as. Call Annie. Okay.
Call Annie and put hardware or software.
Just a minute. So you have to move the cursor to the end. HTML. And type whatever you want.
Just put software.
Please type whatever you want. Don't do anything otherwise, thank you.
Just to see, will it just be that first page? We'll just copy.
Then I want to move this away so I can see where I'm copying to.
It says
Okay.
Gemini try.
Gemini try.
Pictures.
Okay, doesn't matter. Whatever it is, I want to copy it.
You want that?
Right, I can change it. I can go up and down.
Yeah, but it looks like it's just going to be the picture of it. It's not going to be the contents of it.
You don't know what it will be, but
Yeah.
we'll find out. So I want to copy it. Hold down the Shift key and mark the entire path. Then copy to the clipboard buffer. Then, this is HTML. I don't know if it has other formats. No. HTML only.
So it looks like it's just going to be the front of the page it's going to copy.
So Control V. Doesn't matter. You can experiment and find a better way.
Yeah.
What is important to understand is that you have the history, and you can easily
You have the
copy to the clipboard buffer, and then save. And now it shows you open file, and we can see in the download what it did. So it overwrites it and it goes to another folder, because I don't see anything in the download. But anyways, I will paste it in my notes here. Control V and enter, and later on we can save it now, and later on we can go back and save it again.
Okay, it's 11 o'clock. All right, so I understand.
So edit, don't interrupt, please, let me finish.
Okay, I'm going now. Thank you.
And then file save.
So that was
And
32
now
minutes.
we want to add to that the Loom. Copy the URL of Loom to the clipboard buffer, and then paste it into the various notes. Repeat what I said, please. Jesus help me. Control V to paste into my notepad, and then file, save, then into the WordPad, enter, Control V, file, save, and now the most important thing is to play it back and upload it to the cloud. So I'm going to play it back, and we will listen to it in 2.5 speed to assess the quality. Then I add it as a comment to my Pixar and paste, and okay. Then I go to my notes, edit, select all, repeat it. And it didn't work the first time, so I try again.
Now you select all. Now
Copy to the clipboard buffer.
What are you doing?
Now edit as a comment, say.
Okay, let's see.
I suspended it and I'm pasting it in as a
It
comment,
doesn't let you paste, does it?
and it lets me find. And now I want to scroll down
To what? What is
to the summary and edit as a summary, paste, then scroll down further
To the
and add chapters
Add chapters.
and save, and then scroll further to add tags. Plain, remote, inspection,
What is it?
in,
It's enough.
in, lanyard, artificial, Google,
Okay.
and that's enough. It seems like everything is fine.
Okay, so close it.
So I'm going to go to the top again.
Fine. So stop it.
And now I can stop it.
So press enter. Press it there. Press it. And do you want to stop it's still recording. You want to stop the recording.
Now I want to
Stop here, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to stop here. Stop. Stop. Now it's playing back.
make sure
You have it in there.
I stop it
Yeah,
again.
you stop it. Just stop recording here. That's all. Close it.
Minimize it. So now I stopped it. And I want to make sure that I have the correct URL, so I'm going to paste it yet again. And you
Let's
see that
alone.
it's the same,
Yeah,
which
it's
is
the same.
okay.
You have the room.
And then save it.
Save it again.
And now I want to stop the various other recording. Say that.
You have other recordings. You have here, the capture,
Stop the cyberlink
cyberlink. Stop.
UCam. Double click it to hear the quality of it.
It's fine.
Sounds perfectly
Close.
good.
Close.
And then I want to stop the
Webcam Max.
webcam max. Stop it.
And close
And
it.
then tom no garbage.
What are you doing?
By accident, I started a new recording.
What are you starting again?
I wanted
Stop
to
it.
stop it.
Stop it. 7 seconds.
And then I wanted to double click it to hear it.
That's the last
And it
one.
works, doesn't matter. Works too. And finally,
Close it.
the last,
That you know that you've stopped it.
we can close it too, but I
Close.
like to keep it so we have the image. Please don't interrupt.
Okay, fine. I'm leaving.
Stay here for a second.
So you want to do MSN recorder stop?
No, I want to do,
One.
I want to upload it to the cloud. And,
Upload what to the cloud?
okay, now I want to go to the cloud and upload to the cloud.
Oh, OneDrive. Drive? Okay.
Plus, I want to upload to the cloud. Folder upload
Okay.
or file upload.
Folder, no?
We'll start with folder first.
Folder. Which
And
folder?
now I can navigate to the folder or go to my notepad, open the notepad and copy the folder.
Where is the folder? It's Rush,
So
Farmers
now-
Market, not Farmers Market.
This is the wrong
That's the wrong folder.
file.
Here's 2-1.
Here is the right file. Now I want to navigate.
Move it. Why don't you switch? You should get another bro. What did you do?
Cancel. Make it smaller. I want to navigate to the relevant folder at the very top of the file. So let's see if I can get to the top of the file here.
Here's the cursor.
Please repeat what I say.
That's Loom. That's not right. Call Annie. That's not right. Gemini. Call any software. Is this it? Pictures.
Just a minute, please.
This expire.
So I want to get Google Voice right here. Excuse me, please. All the way to the end of Google Voice, but no more. Edit it to the clipboard buffer, then select New.
Folder.
Folder upload.
Put it in there.
Paste it up there.
Is that what you want? Documents.
But I got
No,
some
folder
extra
wrap.
which I'm going to remove.
Is
Google
this
Voice is fine, but nothing but this. And then press enter once, enter twice,
And
then
upload.
click upload.
Where's it uploaded?
It will ask you if you want to duplicate it or not, and I want to keep both copies and duplicate it, and then click upload yet again. This is going to give you the number of files, 349.
Right.
So then I go to my notes to mark 349. 349.
Okay.
And enter and file save.
Okay.
So now I upload it to the cloud. So this is why is it important? Because if I lose the computer, I have it all in the cloud. I don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
In addition to that, I may also, this was an example of uploading a folder, and it's still working because there are so many files. Another example is to upload the file, for example, PSAR. So I'm going to
Where's that?
mark the C, hold it down, and then drag it all the way to the end of this PSAR folder that describes what I've done today.
Which is a lot of words.
And now I go edit copy, and now upload it to the cloud. But this time I'm going to upload only
The file?
the file, exactly.
So you're going to
So
go
I
to
can
New.
click on New,
And
but
go
then
to
file upload instead of folder upload, and then paste the file that I just indicated to you
Okay.
and click open.
Yeah. And it says, check the file, try again. Doesn't
File
lock.
not found. So it went to the PSAR folder, but it didn't find the file. So I can click on the file again, say OK, then click on the file again,
Yeah. And now say done. Now say open.
and
Now
then
click open.
click again, see if that,
No.
So instead, just select the file. And then you see that
No, it has a problem.
it has a problem. It
Yeah.
says
Failed.
one failed.
Yeah. Didn't like that last one. Didn't like it. Maybe it's still recording and didn't shut it off yet.
No, that has nothing. This is an earlier file.
Okay. Maybe it's not.
The problem, however, maybe is because it is a zip type of a file, and it had some trouble with that.
Saving it or something. Couldn't find it. Okay, got the idea. So did you finish doing? Did
We
you
can
remove?
try it again.
Did you remove
No.
the? Did you remove
File
the file?
upload.
No. Okay.
Let's try another one. Let's try this one. See if this one will be any luckier.
So double click and now say open.
Okay,
Yeah.
and this worked.
No, it didn't.
Oh, it
Upload
didn't?
failed.
Okay.
You have to read. See, upload failed. Upload failed.
One of 349 failed.
But it was this, because maybe,
Oh, this one?
yeah. See, upload failed, but maybe you have to wait till one thing finishes before you do the
Yeah,
other
maybe.
too.
But
You know?
it seems like one is there.
Yeah.
So let's not worry
No,
about it.
don't
We
worry
already
about it.
showed
Show
an
the
example.
Okay, I'm going.
One
Okay.
other thing that I would like to do
Just one more thing, and then I'm leaving.
is I would like to save it in its all folders on the hard drive. This is my notes.
Okay, so
So I go
file,
File,
save as.
Save As. But now I'm looking
Where do you want to save it to? This is
This
Well,
got
it's
the
fi-
wrong file name, you see?
Yeah.
That's the problem. So
because it's highlighting there.
yeah, so this is the problem. I have to go and find the file that I want to upload
To
save, that is.
Yeah, file save as. No, go do file save. First do file save so you know that it's there. Do file save.
Save as.
No, save. Because
Now I want to navigate.
you wanted
don't
one.
interrupt me.
Okay.
You don't know. You don't understand. So don't.
Where you going in
I
document?
want to navigate to
where?
One USA chatbot.
It was there. One USA chatbot.
Okay. You have to understand it, really, please.
Okay.
Try to learn and don't interrupt. And
One is in front. If it starts with one, are you looking for one? So it starts on the
Yes.
top. So you have to go up.
we have to go up. Yes. I have to go up. Here is 2. You
No,
understand?
here's 0.
0.
Yeah, but this doesn't start with the paren. It starts with the 1.
Start with 1. Paren is before 1, so I have to
Right.
go down.
Right. You have to go past all the parens. You have a lot of parens.
Right. Thank you.
You have many parens. You see how many parens you have?
Yes, I have to drag it down.
You have many parens. Stop. No, that's W. You have to still go more. Now, here, 1. Right here, 1 USA chatbot. So you have to go up a little bit. Go up. Here. 1 USA
it is,
chatbot.
yes.
What's the difference between 1 and 2? It looks exactly the
Multiple
same.
versions of the same
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
which is also good for backup. But anyways, we copied
Okay.
the path to the clipboard buffer,
Right, put it in the beginning.
then insert it at the beginning,
of the file name.
if I can. Control V.
No, you don't want, because you're going to overwrite the 1.
I'm not.
Yes, it is.
Jesus, help me.
Now it's good. Paste.
Paste. Now I
No.
deleted the file name.
Yeah.
Just
Everything's so that mouse is not
the
good.
mouse is giving me such
Yeah.
trouble.
No.
I go back to my notes. I wish so much that you could help
Here,
me.
you want to make it smaller a little bit so you can see your notepad.
Cancel it. Go back to my notepad. And now file,
This is it with file, save as.
save as.
It's with the chat bot.
I don't know why it picks up the wrong
ID.
file name.
Yeah.
So in that case, I have to construct the file name here.
Yeah.
So what I can do...
Isn't it here? See, users will expire?
No, because it's the wrong path.
Oh, okay.
So I should find the right path.
You're not systematic.
Oh,
What's in your buffer?
file, save first. Let's
Yeah.
do that. File,
Save as. No,
For some reason it points
It's
to the
in
wrong
there.
folder.
Yeah. completely.
I have to go and open it again, navigate to it again.
You have to go all the way down to the 1.
I have to copy the file to the clipboard buffer. That's what I have to do.
But you're in the wrong.
Doesn't matter if I copy it to the clipboard buffer. This is quite a challenge.
Yeah.
Excuse me, please. Can you please come here?
You said, excuse me. And
Yeah, repeat. Listen to what I say and
I
repeat
can't
what
go
I
in
say.
and say it. You have to
You
move
don't
it.
need to see it. You need to
Yeah.
just look, edit,
Copy.
copy, and paste it here, edit, paste, and then
And then what?
a couple of return. Fucking shit. Wrong cursor position. Then go to the end here and make a few spaces. Then I want to replace
What do you want to replace?
the Google Voice subfolder with a subfolder that spells the file name, the subfolder name, ChatGPT, and the phone number.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Edit, copy. The problem is it will make it too large.
Yeah. Too long.
Too long, yes.
Not large.
Too long a string.
Yeah.
Okay, screwed it off. I have to hold down the shift key and drag it all the way to the last character. Then Control V.
Cut.
Now I got it all. So I want to mark it to the clipboard buffer. Oh no.
No. Start from the beginning. Looks like it's too long now.
We'll truncate it, that's okay.
Now Control C or copy. Edit copy. Go to your notepad and do edit copy.
File, save as.
Now
you
it's
got the right
like
name.
all of a sudden.
So
Save it. Maybe, no?
I just want to save it to the right subfolder.
It's no copy. Is it in your buffer?
Yeah, but let me see if I can point to it. That will be better because I'm not sure that
This is in Google Voice. Is that where you want it, in Google Voice?
Not the same.
No.
I want to go to 1.
No, it's down. Go down. Go down. Keep on going. That's still a parens. Okay, 1. 1.
You say chatbot right here.
Yeah.
No, just save it
Save
already.
there.
Finally, I saved it.
Okay. Now do you want to upload anything?
No, I want to upload this subfolder that I just saved.
Yeah. To the drive?
Yes.
Okay.
So I mark it,
Just a subfolder.
edit copy to the clipboard
Edit,
buffer,
copy. And now go to,
then scroll to the left all the way,
right, and go plus new.
plus new, upload folder.
Folder upload.
And now Control V and pray.
Yeah, that
And
looks
hit
good.
enter one time.
No, it says path does not exist. So do you need a backslash again? One USA chatbot. Path does not exist.
So you can also point at the path. You understand? Say OK. And then navigate down to 1. You understand?
Yeah, but you have to go all the way down because these are just parens.
Yeah, so you go down wherever you need to go. But it's good that we encounter so many difficulties and we can,
Yeah, just to do one upload.
yeah, when you have a bad mouse,
Yeah.
scroll down with the scroller on the mouse.
The mid scroll, the wheel,
The wheel, thank you.
the mid wheel.
The mid wheel.
Here, one
No.
is coming. Keep on going down.
1 USA we want.
One.
USA.
Here, chatbot. There.
Here, this is it.
Maybe it has a problem because there's 2 of them.
Pop it in. Now I got it there, folder.
Okay, now say upload.
And now click upload once. Click upload
Upload.
the second time.
Right.
So keep both.
folders upload.
And upload for the third time.
Yeah.
Wow, finally we got it.
Okay.
And now we want to see how many folders it uploaded. 1 complete upload, 4, 4.
Right. So
Very
finish
good.
it.
So this is 4 folders. So I put the number 4 right in here,
that you've uploaded.
and enter,
And then save.
and file save.
Okay.
And now,
You have the MSN recorder
the
still
only thing
running.
that remains is to close
MSN
this recording.
MSN
Don't
No.
upload, playback,
playback in the middle.
and then
Start recording
Okay,
it. Now
perfect.
that they're going
Okay,
to go,
okay.
I'm going to drag
Okay.
it down,
close it.
Okay.
try to grab it, and drag it
That
down to
works
the
fine.
rightmost corner of the screen so I can
Come here to
monitor
see
it.
how to close it, please.
And then I want to find my pad.
Stop recording.
Close.
Close.
And now stop recording.
Where do you stop recording? Where do you click?
Cassar.
Oh,
And this will be rather long.
very long.
So you can see an example of a long operation. You see when you see this. And then you click saving, save. Take the last one.
And then put the time
And now extend it from G. We will change it
to H.
to H. Then delete G,
And change the 1040 to 1115, 1113.
1113.
Go back 3. 11.13
11.13.
p.m. Okay. You want to
And
highlight
now-
them? Or you just want to say save?
You have a zip in there already. Just mark the first one, mark the last one, and pray.
It's not going. It's not
So
going.
repeat it when it doesn't work.
No, you don't. You don't
Do
have
it
it all.
again in big.
You don't have it all highlighted. You see, you
Doesn't
have it.
matter.
It does. You don't have it all highlighted. No, you don't.
Copy
Okay.
to the clipboard buffer, and then save.
Save. Okay.
And then review additional options.
No.
Cancel.
Review additional details, and then you can go up, and it's like
248.
248.
And now paste it in the notes.
248.
Control V. And you know that it is in the zip folder, you understand? You see the zip.
ZP.
File,
Save.
save. And then here too. Control V.
V. Then save that.
Enter.
Save the notepad too.
And save that too. That's it.
Okay.
So now we finished everything.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
And that.
Let me finish this. Oh, this already
Oh,
stopped.
you want to upload this? I have that recording, or do it tomorrow?
What time is it?
11:30 almost.
I'm tired. Just
Yeah.
let's charge them fully.
I'll charge it next to my bed.
Okay. So we'll deal with it tomorrow already. I'm just so tired.
Oh my God.
I'm going to stop the flash. Stop the recording.